don't like to admit this, but I am 38 and I am not looking forward to turning 40.
Please tap off the excess.
Right. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay, onto the face powders. Okay, so blushes. That includes cream blushes, that includes powder blushes. I have 46. Yeah. So today we have our monthly makeup basket. This is going, all of this stuff was used during February. So now we want to change it up and decide what we're going to use in the month of March. This is a new project pan of theirs. It is the Harry Potter and the Pan of Fire. So this runs from June the 26th until September the 26th, and the creators were Amanda and Jessica from the Fantastic Ladies. And it is based on the Quidditch game and your favourite house.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about these energy like things because
What
it looks like a lump of poo.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be eating it.
Oh, and then just for shits and giggles, we've got some mascara on my nose. We'll leave that to dry. Okay, so the recommended retail price for this is £12.50. There is something about this timeless shade that gives us confidence and a sense of tranquility. OPI It's a Boy is a classic baby blue and the perfect shade to wear in celebration of the brand new royal baby, Prince Louis. In OPI's award-winning formula, this shade delivers flawless results every time. So that is OPI It's a Boy, and it is a 15ml bottle, so this will last me a lifetime.
Give you a run for your money.
Drag queens, here you come.
Mm-hmm.
Right, thank you very much for watching. Well, I have lost my train of thought. You put me on. You're actually scaring me. You're freaking me out. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked, please like, comment and subscribe for more fun videos to come in the future. No, I don't want to.